I think we have infinite stamina.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Yep.
Sam goes first.
I agree.
about. I'm going.
Wait, how do you fly? F F
Crouching.
F.
Stop crouching.
Middle
Yo,
one
you
because,
guys, you guys
I
just
don't know.
disappearing like that. What the fuck?
Well, maybe if you start being slow, left is always right.
It was fucking Alex. She was crouching.
I didn't
Blame it on the
know.
woman, of course.
I don't know.
Of course,
Just
a
follow
white
left.
man would do that.
Wait,
A
let me
white
lead.
man.
Let me lead.
Go on,
You know
Harry.
what?
Go on,
let
Harry.
me
Let
lead.
the white man lead.
Let me lead.
Go on,
Yeah,
Elliot.
wait. I need to change something.
No, you
Go
don't.
on,
No,
Harry.
you
I
don't.
don't know, Elliot. You can go first if you want. I don't know.
Nah, I'm good. Man. You found it. You go first.
Oh wow. Oh shit.
Guys, hello.
Hello?
Guys, hello. Where you at? Why are you making so loud?
Come through this door, bro.
Where you at?
Oh hell no!
Yeah,
Bro,
leave the.
why are you closing the door? Why are you closing the door on me? There's something here! No, open the door! You guys are throwing!
Wait. No, we. Oh shit.
Please.
Guys, I think we have to go through that though. Guys, we definitely have to
Someone
go
has to
through
be
that. shit.
Wait, it's still here. It's still here.
I died.
Yeah, fuck that.
Why are you guys just here?
Wait, hold on. Wait, what the fuck is this?
Hey,
I don't
fuck
get it.
that. Okay, Amber,
Wait,
Alex, stop fucking around. We need to go through the door.
Okay.
Fuck, why am I stuck?
I'm dead.
One person do it!
Yeah, which nigga is president? Sam.
Bro, I'm not pressing.
He's a hoe. You're a hoe. Not gonna lie, I wasn't even trying to solve it. I was just like, president random.
Sorry, chance. Joking.
Bro, why are you opening the door?
I'm so good!
Oh, wait, how did you do
I'm
it?
so good!
How did you do it?
That's crazy.
I'm so good!
How do we go back? Okay, I remember. Do you remember?
It's here.
Ah!
It's here!
Yeah, I'm running.
Oh fuck.
Oh,
Right there.
oh my god, we drink that shit.
Wait, don't bring it here. Don't bring it here. Open the door. The better.
Did you find the axe, nigga?
Oh my
Open.
god.
Okay, fuck that.
Mikael, you died in front of me. Close the door, Mikael.
Oh, I just saw Amber get murdered.
Amber's
We just saw Amber
Bro,
get
kill it, Lam. Kill it.
Corner.
Bro, I'm helping.
Oh, he coming. He coming.
Oh!
Fuck, Harry, no, don't go, Harry.
Let's. Why do we have that? What? Code
Guys,
has
no.
I think it's you.
How do you find out? Someone stay in the control room so that they can guess.
Why you control these nuts?
Wait, how about someone stay?
You're white. You're white, by the way. You're white.
Okay, we're fucked though.
Bro, Sam, you
Open the
pussy,
cabinet.
bro.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand.
Crouching on the floor.
No,
Oh, I got the code. I got the
Wait,
code.
what do you mean you got the code?
It says to open the cabinet. So
Wait a
so that
minute.
means
that's
we have
three.
to find.
Oh,
Oh,
there
here's
it is.
one. Here's
Five.
one.
Guys, he's here.
Oh my god.
No one.
Okay, you're acting like you.
Sam,
Oh,
Sam, you.
Bro, no, I'm.
What, nigga? Chill out. Who did it? Okay, I'll do it. 5, 5, 8. Fuck. nigga. 8 you niggas. Real.
Sam is hiding in the locker room, man.
I'm not. I'm trying to.
I close the
figure
door. I
this
close
thing
the door.
out.
I don't.
Wait, don't use it without me.
We're dead.
He's here!
It's over.
This door has no power! Run! We can't close it! Run!
Hello.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I clicked it right away.
I swear to God, that was no loyalty.
Yo,
What?
I just saw something running. I just
No,
saw
I think
something
he's acting
running.
like a monkey.
Shut up, Alex.
Yep, the white man.
Baby, and-
Guys, there's a safe room right here. I opened
Oh,
What?
Oh my god, this is so safe. Okay, cool. I'm all about danger. Oh,
How
fuck
are we
that.
gonna-
Fuck that. Fuck that.
This dude outside.
oh, it's
wait,
open.
I went a
it's
different
open.
way.
Oh
1,
no!
2, 3, 4, 5.
No, the lights are out.
No.
It's like fragments. They're like small fragments.
Fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Wait, the lights! The lights! Wait, the lights fade out! The lights fade out! Guys, wait! So Sam's just here. He's not contributing anything.
No, I was
game
finding
crashed.
something there.
This is so sad. Can someone stream for him?
I'll stream.
Yo, Sam, behind you, Sam.
Wait, what?
Actually, nah, I want to see the monster. Fuck.
Yeah,
You think I'm
that's white
scared?
people activity. That's white people activity right there.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, why are we looking for maintenance? We're inside
Ow!
maintenance.
Ow! Sean, what was that?
Ow!
Sean.
Ow, wait, what do you mean?
Ow.
Wait, are you hurting me?
Yo, it's not. It's a bad monster. You do not.
It's a fucking what the fuck?
It's a bad monster. It's a bad monster.
Bad monster.
Whoa, really?
Whoa, it's a bad
Really?
monster.
It's a bad
No,
monster.
it's
Hi, Amber. Hi, Amber.
well, your hat really didn't
Hi,
make though.
There's a way going
Amber.
up.
Why are you going back, nigga?
Wait, what? You're in vents?
We're in the vents, haha, Sasamogus.
Shut up.
Sean, you're not Marco. You're not Marco, son.
There's an
Machine.
invisible
Hi,
man.
Amber.
Wait, can you help me?
Hi.
Can you help me?
No, close the door. The invisible man's gonna get
Wait,
us.
what's up there, Sean?
Nothing, it's just
That's
a
gotta be
broken
racist.
door. We
We
can't
call it a
open it.
monkey. Now we call it invisible man because it's dark.
Yeah.
That's racist.
It's racist.
You guys don't
No, he's
Crouch.
invisible. This is
That's,
based
no,
off
no,
of that
Amber,
other.
I knew it.
I
I knew it.
expected better from you.
Oh
Amber.
my god.
Guys,
We're in the control room.
Shut up, Nick.
we're in the thermal room, the yellow doors and shit.
Nice.
Please tell me that's it. This is so stressful. Boss round!
Boss round.
Boss round.
Think about that.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
good.
you did.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
Sean.
You did.
Boss too easy for you. Which level 2? Where's level 2?
Please, no more. This is so
Didn't we already do this?
I know,
Wait,
but
turn
like
left. Turn left. We didn't go all the directions, did we?
we did.
Alright, we did.
You idiot! You dumb cunt!
Amber, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm looking at it. Because it told us to get to the top of the crystal room, but...
Yeah, we already did. We did that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
nothing
why
happened.
there's power. That's why there's power.
Amber, get your head in the game.
I'm following you guys, I'm just slow.
Our life is at stake here, Amber.
Wait, where'd you go?
Amber, where the?
Amber.
Where is Amber?
Wait, my knees.
Bro, you're playing a video game. What do you mean? me?
It's
Ah,
Okay,
here we go.
guys, get on the elevator all together. Don't. Okay, nice. Nice one, guys. Yeah,
Guys.
you guys went around.
It's
hear
been
that
nice
music,
knowing
Nick?
everyone. I
Yeah.
think I'm dead.
Wait, what? No!
Oh my god, Amber.
Amber, please.
Look at the elevator!
Oh,
You silly bitch.
Oh, hey.
You
Oh,
silly
it's
bitch.
just
Oh, Amber.
Oh
Hey,
my
Amber's a
god.
real one waiting for us.
She was not waiting for you guys. She just exited.
Run. You bitch.
No!
The hell do we get tungsten? Oh, the lights are closed. Safe room's over here.
We don't need no safe room.
Yo!
Leave them. Leave them. Run.
Amber, hurry up! Come on!
Why would you do that? Those were the people who knew what was happening.
Wait, they had the thing? Why did you take it, Sean?
We all have it.
Mine.
I don't think it's here, is it?
Okay, Sean, where do you think it is then? Huh? Oh, you so white and sexy, huh?
What?
yeah,
Is it open now?
you're gonna be deep.
No. Oh wait. I found a puzzle. I want to do it.
Wait. Let's.
What?
Wait
Are we
for
supposed to follow
everyone.
like a symbol? Oh wait! Look here! Look here! Look here! Look here!
Oh!
Oh! You make stairs! Make stairs! Make stairs!
Yo, can
Just
you
make
make
stairs, bro!
Who said I'll make stairs? Bro, push him off.
Wait, why
Push him
can't I
off.
jump?
Push him off.
I can't jump. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yo, can you make the stairs? Fuck.
You know, Miguel, you know why we didn't notice that? Because we made everything green. And then when you started fidgeting, you're like, oh, wait a minute.
Bro, they're the one closing the doors. Dude.
Amber, where the fuck are you?
Guys, I'm going to bed.
No, you're not.
Close it, close it, close it.
Yes,
Thank you
I
guys.
am.
Oh,
Where's your cut? See? Okay. Ah!
How is he inside?
Survive for 1 minute. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I'm dead. I heard the thing after my death. It's done. It's
What?
done.
It
It's done.
flies up. It flies. Ah!
Oh wait,
Oh.
we TP'd.
Sam?
Got it, guys.
That nigga left us. He didn't even say
No, I was
Why is
like
there a
looking
pig?
for a door.
Yeah, I think that has to be like the one that's. Oh!
Let's do what Sam does. Let's play the floor.
I found the conference card.
Okay. Okay, let's just.
I got the conference key card.
Oh,
Get
Try-
down.
oh!
Try to
I found-
open the drawers.
No!
Open, like-
Yeah, I found the con.
Damn, this
Recently,
elevator is slow as
right?
fuck. Yeah.
We need elevator music.
Dun, 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 dun.
Damn, Sean, you rolled the R real hard.
Oh, it's a
Bro, I
door.
just went inside.
Oh, everything's white. Is this what Elliot sees?
Me
Just
going
lie.
to Kansas for the first time.
You want to
From
stay
what?
near the
The
light
middle?
as much as possible.
Where'd you guys
Your
go?
mama is like, Sean. 'Cause
Wait,
she's
where
the
are
light
we?
of my world.
Where are we?
No, it's the church. You're supposed to go here.
Yo, oh my god!
Yeah, this chapter is really long.
Oh, I'm not
You're
going
really
first.
Oh god, just run, just run!
I'm always going left. I'm always going left. I'm always going left. I don't care.
You literally just went right, like.
Shut up, I didn't see you.
We just follow Levance because Levance's luck stat is beyond the
Maxed out.
chart.
Indeed.
Well, it cancels out with us.
Wait.
How's the experience, Sean?
Guys!
This lever is stuck. Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Okay.
What are...
You
Oh,
are.
I'm going to the back. I'm going to the back. I'm going to the back. I'm
What
going to the back.
are you?
Someone
What
pull
are
it.
you?
What
What
are
are
we?
we? What are we? What are you?
I think they just want a relationship, to be honest. What are we, guys? Guys,
We're
what are we?
lovers. What was that? Oh shit.
Yo! No, don't leave me!
Guys, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone, guys. I can't do this alone. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
Oh,
dead.
wait,
We're so dead,
Oh,
Sean.
I opened something. Do I go in?
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I
Wait,
died.
wait,
I
wait.
died.
I'm going in. I'm going in.
Oh yeah, they're going. Okay, it's white again.
I hate all of you guys. I hate all of you.
Okay, that's end of chapter 1. Wait, that was chapter 1?
That was chapter
God
1.
damn.
GG's,
Here for
GG's.
anything?
Very
Nah.
satisfying to finish. We're the last 5 standing. I think we should be proud of
Done.
ourselves. We went from 8
Yep.
people and we only lost 3. I think that's very applaudable.